Solve the equation and check your solution. Okay, so let's get started. For this, we have to go ahead and look at the equation as two different parts. I always like to make that line right across that equal sign. So we see one of the parts is 14 plus 4x, and on the other side, we have 2 take away 2x. So now in both sides, I notice that I can't combine nothing here. There's no parentheses for me to do. It's simply a 14 and a 4x. I can't put them together. They're not like terms. Same case here. There's a 2 and a negative 2x. Can't combine them. Can't do any parentheses here. So we're just going to go ahead and isolate x. Right now I have an x on this side and an x on this side. So I'm going to try to get rid of this one since it's on my left side. I'm going to do the inverse. So this is a positive 4x. The inverse of positive 4x is negative 4x. But whatever I do to one side, I must do it to the other side, minus 4x. So let's go ahead and do the math. Bring down your 14 because you didn't do anything to it. Now, positive 4x, take away 4x, simply cancels each other out because it equals to 0. So you don't bring down anything here. Bring down your equal sign. And now, did you do anything to your 2? No, you didn't. So you just bring it down. Now you have negative 2x, take away 4x. That simply gives you negative 6x. Now, I'm going to make my 14 a little bit closer here because it's too far away now. And now I see that I am in this step where my x is still not by itself. I need to make sure that my constants are on one side. I wouldn't bring the 14 on this side because there will be nothing on this side. And I want to make sure that both sides have something to work with. So this 2, I'm going to eliminate it. I know that this is a positive 2. So I have to do the inverse, take away 2. And on this side, I have to do the same, take away 2. Now let's go ahead and do the math. 14 take away 2 is simply 12. Bring down your equal sign. 2 take away 2 cancels each other out because they equal to 0. Bring down your negative 6x. Next, we have the negative 6 stuck to that x, so it means that it's multiplying because that's your coefficient. So you have to do the inverse, which the inverse of multiplying is dividing by negative 6 on both sides. Now you have 12 divided by negative 6 gives you negative 2. Bring down your equal sign. Now negative 6 multiplied and dividing by negative 6 are inverse, so they cancel each other out. And you're left with this, or you can write it as x equals negative 2. And that's it.